Tired of paying for every API call? The OpenAI API is fantastic, but those costs can add up fast. Today, we're ditching the fees and jumping into the Google Gemini API. Google offers one of the most generous free tiers available, giving you access to the powerful Gemini 2.5 Flash model without needing a credit card to get started. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how to get your free key, connect it to Python, and build a fully functioning terminal chatbot that remembers everything you say. Let's save some money and start building. First, head over to the Google AI console. You'll need a Google account. Once you're in, creating the key is completely painless and completely free. You don't need to enter any payment information for the free tier. Just like the OpenAI key, copy this Gemini key immediately and save it somewhere secure. Google won't show it to you again. This key is your credential to use the powerful AI models. Let's set up our Python project. We need the official Google library. Open your terminal and install the Google Gemini package. And because we always handle security the right way, let's also install the library to handle our environment variables, keeping our key secret. Time for our first script. We import the library and initialize the client. To ask a simple question, we use the client.models.generate_content method. We specify the model, which will be Gemini 2.5 Flash, the fastest, cheapest, and most capable model in the free tier. Run the script, and there is your answer. You just access the power of Google's AI with a completely free API key. A one-off prompt isn't a chatbot. A real chatbot needs memory. In the Gemini API, we use the client.chat service to manage conversation history automatically. The magic happens with the chat.send_message method, and like the previous script, you don't need to manually build a list of messages. The chat object handles sending the entire history back to the model for you, maintaining context. It remembers. This is the foundation of every sophisticated AI application. Let's finish the setup by securing your key. Create a file named .env and put your key inside it. Now your key is safe, and your code is ready to share with the world. And there you have it, a powerful, context-aware chatbot using the Gemini API, all without spending a single penny. You now have the skills to build personalized tools, automate tasks, and create AI-powered applications. If you enjoyed this zero-cost tutorial, give it a like. And if you want to see how to use Gemini to analyze images, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!